What's up, guys? So someone asked me on a YouTube video about the difference between doing a rock and roll where you're just like in the middle of the board on the coping to decking it out and throwing it all the way up on the deck. And I thought that was a good question because they definitely feel a lot different. At first, when you're learning rock and rolls, you just kind of learn kick turns and then you just tap it and turn the board really quick. Eventually you get where you can kind of rock your wheels back and forth and then turn and go back in. But after you've been doing them for a long time, you get it where you can throw your board all the way up, turn and come back in. It just improves the style. It looks so much better when you've got the board all the way up on the deck and then you turn and go back in, because the way your body position is, when you have it all the way up on the deck, you're kind of like leaning your whole body back into the ramp, and it just makes it look really stylish. Why do kids have to just break everything all the time? Sorry for the noise down here. This is like downtown in a pretty decent sized city, so there's a lot of traffic and noise in the background when I do videos here. So when a quarter pipe is kind of steep like this, you can get the truck all the way up against the coping while the deck is still touching the coping. But if we walk over here, when a quarter pipe is kind of mellow, you can see that the deck doesn't touch the coping when the truck is all the way up against it, but only when you're like a few inches away. So it's a totally different feeling. It is easier on a mellower quarter pipe.